Hi friends, this is Tanmay Banerjee. Once again, welcome back to Tanmay the Artist. Friends, today I have drawn a very beautiful picture. It's a landscape scenery which I have drawn, and to create that picture, I have used uh, brush stroke, soft oil pastel colors, and I have used domes. This one, domes color pencils, and let me show you the oil pastel color. Yeah, so this is the brand Brastro. Can you see? Yeah, this is the brand which I have used to create that picture. It's a beautiful village scenery which I have drawn. I'm very fond of village, so I tend to create imaginary village landscape picture. And if you check my channel, Tanmay the Artist YouTube channel, then you will come to know that I have drawn many village landscape sceneries in my channel. So let me show you the picture which I have drawn. Let me give you a close look. So friends, if you want to know that how I have created this picture, if you want to know that how I have developed this beautiful village landscape scenery, then you have to stay tuned and you have to watch the full video till the end. I will show you the entire method in the video, and from that you can definitely learn a lot. You can try your hand after learning. Definitely you also will be able to create this kind of beautiful picture. That's it friend, from my end. And I would request those who are visiting my channel for the very first time, please do subscribe to my channel. If you are really interested about art, drawing and creative things, then please do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get future notifications about my upcoming works. And please do like, share, comment and share my videos with those who love art like you.
Thank you very much for watching the entire video. I hope you have liked this video a lot. I hope that you have given me a big fat thumbs up. You have subscribed my channel for future videos. You have activated the bell icon. See you on my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye. May God bless you. Love you all.